Hello beautiful people, it's Polly from Charming Tavi. In this video I'm going to show you how to assemble those beautiful Christmas pockets that are actually Christmas cookies pockets. I think that they look cool. Please subscribe for my channel, please like this video, and if you like how those pockets look like, go in my Etsy shop, visit it. I'm going to put link below and buy it. Also, I want to share that I made a special mystery gift for this kit. You are going to receive 2 pages with pockets and of course embellishments to fill goodies to fill these pockets inside. Also, you're going to have one more page that is a gift for Christmas, where you can cut a lot of different elements and put them in the pocket again. So I hope that this video is going to be fast. Let's get started. I've already cut out all of my elements and I use this dress, where it is. There it is. Distress ink. I'm always using this one. Vintage photo. I think it looks very cool and gorgeous when you use them. So I'm going to show you how to assemble those pockets. They're very quick and very easy, which is very good, because if you're in a hurry and you don't know what gift to make on the people that you like and the people that you love, you can make those pockets as a Christmas gift. I'm not very good at cutting, I'm sorry. Okay, and let's decorate it. I'm going to use this time foam tape to make all the elements to pop up. Like this, and let's fill the pocket inside. This is like little note, actually it's label, where you can put little sentiment to the one that you're going to give this pocket. Okay, like this they look better. And let me put some Nuvo drops. Okay, probably here. Didn't use those drops for ages, I don't know why. Okay. There is my first pocket. I think it looks very, very cool. As you can see it. And this one. This time I'm going to properly unline because I didn't do it. Let's decorate it. I'm going to use foam tape again. Or shall I use this one? I think this one is better. No. No, this one. I'm going to use, as I said, foam tape again. There it is. I think the decoration looks very cool. Let me trim this one. I'm going to fill the pocket. Let me remove the excess. I made one little note, so you can write your sentiment in here, or some kind of Christmas wish for that is addressed to a person or to someone else that is going to receive this beautiful pocket. I think it looks very cool. So, oh, I forgot to decorate it with Nuvo drops. And I'm going to use the silver one also. Okay, so those are the pockets that I made, and I think that they look very beautiful. Let me show you this one. And of course this one here. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was fast. So I wish you an amazing day and see you on my next video. Bye bye guys.